July 28th, 2025, and we're coming to see our property again and tell our land clearing guy that we want a wider lot. I'm sure he's probably already doing that, but we need to have it much wider because we need a big garden. We want some fruit trees, and we of course want to put our house. We want to have a nice big yard. So this is coming along pretty good. Yeah. Look at that. And more trees that are down. He's gotten further in. This is good. He's moving logs. These trees that he cut. Yeah, look at all those trees. Look at that pile. That's got to be moved. Back out here. That's a big pile. That's like about 15 feet tall. Alright, there he is, Mr. Layton. Looking good so far.